In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make phone number clickable in WordPress. A clickable phone number is a simple link that tells a phone or tablet to open the dialer with your number ready to call. It's especially helpful for visitors browsing on mobile devices because it removes friction and makes contacting you effortless. We'll do this using the built-in WordPress editor, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From the main menu on the left, go to Pages. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Find the page where you want the call button to appear, maybe your Contact, Home, or Services page, and click Edit to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll add a button that visitors can tap or click. Look for the plus icon to add a new block. In the block options that appear, choose the button block. If you don't see it immediately, you can use the search box and type button to bring it up. Once the button is inserted, click on the placeholder text and change it to something clear like Call Us, Call Now, or any short call to action that fits your brand. With the button selected, you'll turn it into a phone link. Click the link icon in the toolbar that appears above the button. In the link field, type TEL, followed directly by your phone number. The key is to include the TL, part with no spaces before your number. Many sites prefer to use the full international format, including the country code, and to avoid spaces or special characters so the link works consistently across devices. For example, you would type TEL followed by your full number in one string. Once you've entered it, the button will function like any other link, but on mobile devices it will open the dialer ready to call. On desktops, depending on the visitor's setup, it may prompt a calling app or simply display the number. That's all there is to it. You opened your WordPress site, went to Pages, edited the page you want, added a button block, labeled it with clear text and linked it using TEL, followed by your number. This small change can significantly improve how quickly customers reach you, especially from mobile. Keep your button text concise, place it where it's easy to find on the page, and make sure the number you enter is accurate and in the format your audience expects. You're done, and your visitors now have a quick tap-to-call way to get in touch.